Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imron Syahroni. Today I would like to tell in a short explanation about the 6 steps in writing a research. For the first is identifying about the problem of the research itself, and then you have to deciding the problematica, and you have to solve all the problem. What does it mean? First, it means you have to suggesting about the need of studying for them. And the second step is reviewing the lecture. There are 3. For the first is locating research. It means, what is locating research? You have to get the research from another research, and you have to collect the data for your statement, and you have to choose the research from the other research for your good writing in your research. And you have to, when you collect them, all the research from the other source, you have to make it simple. Indonesian is meringkas of the source. The third step is specifying purpose. You have to specify your purpose for the research. What does it mean? The first is you have to identify the purpose of your statement, and then you have to narrowing the purpose of statement to research question or hypothesis. Your purpose, you have to narrow your purpose for your research. And the fourth is collecting data. Does it mean you have to collect your data by choosing individual study? You have to get some permission, and you have to collect all information. It means collecting data. And come to the 5th step, analyzing and interpreting data. What does it mean? You have to breaking down the data, but you have to make clear your data. You may breaking your data, but you have to clear your data. Your data must be clear, must be in good writing, and then representing the data. You have to represent your data, the data that you have collected before. You have to represent, make it perfect, make it simple and extra, and explaining the data. All the data that have you collected, all the data that you have, make it simple. You have to tell, you have to know, understand what the data, what your research it means. what the data, what your research means. And the last is uh, evaluation about your research. You have to say, you have to tell, and you have to evaluate the data. You have to deciding the audience, and you have to arrange all the reported. And the last from the sixth step, you have to write the research. You have to write the reported insensitively. Sorry for my wrong explanations. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.